boy, buddy. Here, come on. Here, Chief, here. Oh, buddy. We're on the board, baby. Freaking awesome. Atta boy, buddy. Guys, I just got set up in here. Feathered flying from the sky. Drake mallards, baby. That's two for two, buddy. Give. Load. Stay, buddy. Did not realize I didn't have the GoPro running, but I do now. So, here we go. Oh man, guys, this is freaking awesome. So I turned the GoPro on and I didn't push record. An amateur mistake, but I got those first two in. I at least had the get back one going, but I don't think I got the kill shots. Maybe the shotgun did, but that's 2 down, first light. Awesome. I mean, awesome. Decoying right in here. That was so cool. So we just need to get a couple more. Could happen, guys. It could happen. This is awesome. He's loving it too. And the old duck torpedo, so low. Ain't no one's hitting them. So here we go. 2 more, come on, let's get it. So freaking jacked. Let's go. Oh, yes, buddy. Eyes all over your face. What a good boy. Yes. Good, buddy. Dead bird, Chief, dead bird. Good boy, buddy, good boy. Good boy, Chief. Yes, buddy. Here. Chief, load, give, load, give, load. Sit. I just can't tell you guys how pumped I am. We get my birds on a nice cold day, man. This is what duck season's all about. So I'm gonna get tucked back in here before something else works. But man, this little, it's like all the little back channels are all froze up after December and all that. So birds just don't have a lot of options. And I wouldn't say that we're seeing a ton, but we're getting quality. The ones that are seeing it are liking it. So I only moved the spinner a little bit because it just felt like it was like right on top of us. You know how it is at dark when you put it up. So whew, hopefully that does it. One more, come on baby, let's go. What do you think, Chief? green. They were green.
Alrighty, fellas, well, that is a wrap for today's hunt. I cannot tell you guys how awesome this hunt was. It was exactly what I needed. Got out there early morning before work, icy river, and the ducks did it right. So just something about keeping it simple, just me and Chief and the duck torpedo going out there really on a whim. Just on a whim, just knew the conditions were right and hoped that the birds were in. And it moved in on a migration, and guys, it was so much fun. Unbelievable. So anyways, hit that sub button, guys. You don't want to miss it. I got tons of content coming up with everything going on. I'm going to be able to get out even more and get on these ducks. You don't want to miss it. Alrighty, guys. I'm Jordan, Duck Gun Chronicles, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.